Chapter 2. Charts in Excel. Charts. In Excel, charts are powerful tools that allow you to represent data in a structured manner. It also makes it easier to analyze and understand the data. Whether you're working with financial data, sales figures and more, Excel's charts are capable of helping you to present your data in a clear and concise manner. Benefits of a chart. Charts provide various benefits when you are working with data. Visualization. Charts convert raw data into visual representations, making trends and patterns easier to understand. Communication. Charts are an effective way to communicate your data to others. Analysis. Charts help you analyze data quickly and make data-driven decisions. Comparison. Charts help you to compare data sets or trends more easily. Highlighting. Charts allow you to emphasize key data points or outliers. Components of a chart. A chart has many components. Some of them are discussed here. Chart area. It is an area where we can create and modify the charts. Plot area. The plot area is the region within the chart that displays the actual data points, bars, lines, or other chart elements. It's where you can see the visual representation of your data. X-axis, horizontal axis. The horizontal axis typically represents the independent variable or categories. It displays labels or values along the horizontal direction. Y-axis, vertical axis. The vertical axis represents the dependent variable. It displays labels or values along the vertical direction. In some cases, charts may have a secondary y-axis to represent a second set of data on the same chart. Data points. Data points are individual values or markers representing specific data on the chart. For example, in a line chart, each point on the line corresponds to a data point. Data labels. These labels, often associated with data points, provide additional information about the data. Legend. The legend is a key that explains the colors or symbols used in the chart represent which data series. It helps readers understand what each element in the chart represents. Chart title. A title that provides an overall description or context for the chart. It helps users understand the purpose of the chart. Grid lines. Grid lines are horizontal and vertical lines that help readers interpret values on the chart more accurately. You can add or remove grid lines as needed. Types of charts. Excel has a variety of chart types, and each type is used for different purposes. Here are some common chart types. Column chart. A column chart is like a graph that uses vertical bars to show information. The categories or types of things being talked about go along the bottom, and the numbers related to them go on the side. Bar chart. A bar chart is a bit like a column chart, but the bars are lying on their sides. It's really good for comparing things or figuring out which thing is the biggest or smallest. The names of the things go up and down, and the numbers go side to side. Line chart. A line chart is a special kind of chart that shows how something changes over time, like how a plant grows every week. It connects the dots to make a line, so you can easily see the pattern. Area chart. The area chart shows how things change a lot or a little over time. It's like a picture puzzle where each piece represents a part, And when you put all the pieces together, you see the whole picture. Pie chart. It is suitable for displaying parts of a whole, such as the composition of a budget or market share. A pie chart is different from the rest of the chart types, as it shows just one data series. Donut chart. It consists of more than one data series. Each ring represents one data series in this chart. It displays the relationship of parts to a whole. Scatter plot. It shows the relationship between two sets of data points, useful for identifying correlations. Bubble chart. It shows a variation of the scatter plot, where the size of the bubbles represents a third data dimension. Radar chart. It displays data in a circular pattern, often used for comparing multiple variables. Histogram. It is type of chart and is used to display the distribution of data in a frequency distribution. Creating a chart in Excel. Now, you have learned about the different chart components and chart type. Let's learn how to create a chart. Follow the given steps. 1. Select the data. 2. Click on the Insert tab. 3. Select the chart category in the illustration group. 4. Click on the desired chart. Formatting a chart. Excel 2016 allows you to format a chart like change the chart color or chart style. To change the color of a chart, follow the given steps. 1. Select the chart. 2. Click on the Design tab. 3. Click on the Change Colors option and select a color. Changing a chart type. To change the chart style, follow the given steps. 1. Select the chart. 2. Click on the Design tab. 3. Click on the down arrow buttons and select the desired chart style. 4. Select the desired chart type. Moving and resizing the chart. To move the chart, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the blank area of the chart. Excel selects it automatically and surrounds it with borders and handle. 2. Click and drag the chart to the desired new location. 3. Release the mouse button. To resize the chart, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the blank area of the chart. Excel selects it automatically and surrounds it with borders and handles. To place the mouse pointer over the handle of the chart, the mouse pointer changes to a two-sided arrow. 3. When the mouse pointer changes to the two-sided arrow, click and drag it to resize. In summary, in Excel, charts are powerful tools that allow you to represent data in a structured manner. The plot area is the region within the chart that displays the actual data points, bars, lines, or other chart elements. Y-axis displays labels or values along the vertical direction. A column chart is like a graph that uses vertical bars to show information. A bar chart is a bit like a column chart, but the bars are lying on their sides. A line chart is a special kind of chart that shows how something changes over time. The area chart shows how things change a lot or a little over time. Donut chart consists of more than one data series.